In the previous video, we understood the info bar in AutoCAD 2027. We saw that the info bar is mainly used for search, help, Autodesk account information, and other support related options. Now, in this video, we are moving to the one of the most important part of the AutoCAD interface, the ribbon. The ribbon is the large tool area top of the AutoCAD screen. This is where most of the drawing, editing, annotation, layer, and object tools are located. Hi, I'm Dipan and welcome back to Cadelyx. AutoCAD 2027 made simple. Let's understand the ribbon simple way. The ribbon is the wide toolbar area near the top of the AutoCAD screen. It contains most of the tools used while working in AutoCAD. For example, when we want to draw a line, create a circle, move an object, copy an object, trim a line, add a dimension, create layers, or modify properties, we usually find those tools in the ribbon. So if the drawing area is where we do the work, ribbon is where we pick the tools to work. Think of the ribbon like the tool. Instead of keeping all the tools in one messy place, AutoCAD organizes them into the tabs and panels. At the top of the ribbon, you will see different tabs. For example, you may see tabs like Home, Insert, Annotate, Parametric, View, Manage, Output, Add-in, Collaborate, Express Tools, and more. Each tab has different purpose. The Home tab contains the most common drawing and editing. The Insert is used for inserting blocks, references, and other content. The Annotate tab is used for text, dimension, letters, and annotation tools. The View tab helps you to control how we view the drawing. The Output tab is related to printing, plotting, and exporting. As a beginner, don't try to memorize every tab right now. The most important tab for us at the beginning is the Home tab. The Home tab is the tab you will use at the most when you are learning an AutoCAD. Inside the Home tab, you will find the basic tools for creating and editing drawings. This includes tools like Line, Polyline, Circle, Arc, Move, Copy, Rotate, Trim, Offset, Mirror, Layers, Properties, and more. So whenever you feel lost in the beginning, come back to the Home tab. Most of the basic tools you need will be there. Inside each viewable panel, tools are divided in small groups. This group's called panel. For example, inside the Home tab, you may see panels like Draw, Modify, Annotation, Layers, Block, Properties, Groups, Utilities, Clipboard, and View. Each panel groups similar tools together. The Draw panel is mainly used to create objects. The Modify panel is mainly used to edit an object. The Annotation panel is used for text and dimension. The Layer panel is used to organize the Properties panel is used to control object properties like color, line type, and line weight. This organization makes it easier to find the tools. Now, let's look at the Draw panel. The Draw panel is used when you want to create something in AutoCAD. For example, you want to draw a line, circle, rectangle, arc, or a polyline. You will use tools from the Draw panel. The simple way to remember it is this. Draw means create. If you are creating a new object, there is a good chance the tools will be inside the Draw panel. We will use this panel a lot when we started creating our first AutoCAD object. Next, we have a Modify panel. The Modify panel is used when we want to change something that already exists in the drawing. For example, if you want to move an object, copy it, rotate it, trim it, extend it, mirror it, scale it, or offset, you will use the tool from the Modify panel. This is a simple way to remember this as modify means change. First, you draw an object using the Draw panel. Then, you edit those objects using Modify panel. This is one of the most important beginner concepts in AutoCAD. You will also see Annotation panel and the Layer panel. The Annotation panel is used for editing information to your drawing. This includes text, dimension, letter, and other notes. For example, if you want to show the length of the wall or add a room name, annotation tools will be helpful for that. The Layer panel is used to organize your drawing. In professional AutoCAD drawings, we don't put everything in one layer. Wall can be on the one layer, doors can be on another layer, dimensions can be on another layer, text can be on another layer. This makes the drawing clean, organized, and easy to control. We will learn layers properly later because layers are very important in AutoCAD and its other subject. Now here's the very helpful beginner tip. When you move your mouse over the tool in the ribbon and wait for a moment, AutoCAD shows a small explanation. This is called Tooltips. The Tooltips tell you the name of the command and gives you the short description of what it does. Sometimes it may also show the command and short. This is very useful when you are new and you don't remember what each icon means. So while practicing, don't rush. Move your mouse over the different tools and read the tooltip. It will help you to learn interface faster. Some tools in the ribbon have small arrows beside it. That arrow means there are more related tools hidden inside. For example, a rectangle tool may have other shape option near it. A circle tool may have a different circle creation methods. A dimension tool may have different dimension types. So if you see a small arrow, it means AutoCAD is giving you a more option under that tool. As a beginner, you don't need to use every option right now. Just know that some tools have an extra choices. The ribbon is important because it gives you a visual access to most of the AutoCAD tools. Beginners usually start with the ribbon because it is easier to see tools and understand where they are located. Later, as you become faster, you may start typing commands directly in the command line. For example, instead of clicking line from ribbon, you can type L and press enter. But in this course, I'll show you both ways. First, I'll show you where the tools are in the ribbon, and then I'll show you command shortcuts. This way, you understand the software visually and build the speed over time. So let's quickly summarize the ribbon. The ribbon is located at the top of the AutoCAD screen. It contains most of the drawing and editing. The ribbon is divided into the tabs like Home, Insert, Notate, View, and Output. Each tab contains panel. Panel groups similar tools together. The Home tab is most important tab for beginning. The Draw panel is used to create objects. The Modify panel is used to edit objects. The Annotate panel is used for text and dimension. The Layer panel is used for organized drawing. And if you don't know what tools does, move your mouse over and read the tooltip. Before we move into the next video, do this more practice. Open AutoCAD and look at the ribbon. Click on Home tab. Find a Draw panel. Move your mouse over tools like line, polyline, circle, and arc. Then find the Modify panel. Move your mouse over tools like Move, Copy, Rotate, Trim, and Offset. Don't click anything yet. Just move your tools slowly and read the tooltip. This simple practice will help you to become comfortable with the ribbon. So this was the ribbon in AutoCAD 2027. As a beginner, don't try to memorize every tool today. Just remember that the ribbon is your main toolbox. Most of the drawing tools, editing tools, annotation tools, layer tools, and property tools are located here. In the next video, we'll move to the next part of the AutoCAD interface, the File tab. The File tab shows which drawing is currently open and help us to switch between different drawings when multiple files are open. So in the next lesson, we'll understand the File tab in a simple way. I'll see you in the next lesson.